What's up, you guys? So let's talk about Voyager and how Voyager went bankrupt. So Voyager was a crypto lending and mega trading company. It was one of the few digital asset brokers that was listed on the stock market. At its peak, Voyager Digital had 3.5 million users and close to 6 billion in assets. In real life comparison, Voyager Digital was like a small bank in New York City. To understand how Voyager Digital went bankrupt, we first need to understand Voyager's business model. If you take a close look at Voyager and its business model, it looks like a bank. Traditional banks have customers who deposit funds in fiat currency. If you want to deposit money to your traditional bank account, you will use your normal dollar or your country's main currency. Voyager used this same model of taking customer deposits, but rather than taking deposits in fiat currency, Voyager would use cryptocurrency so that customers would deposit cryptocurrency into their Voyager account rather than fiat currency. But you may ask, how did Voyager make money? Traditional banks make money by offering low interest loans to borrowers in terms of mortgages, personal loans, business loans, and even asset finance, which are less risky, because for some loans the banks will use the asset that has been financed as security for the loan. But Voyager was engaged in very risky lending. Voyager is among some of the crypto institutions that generate interest on deposit. They loan out these deposits to investment firms and to hedge funds and use these loans to make massive bets on the startup industry as well as make massive trades on the stock and crypto markets. The investment firms take loans from lenders and invest in early stage startups in the hope of cashing out their equity 3 to 5 years down the line when the startups either IPO or are acquired by large companies. The hedge funds, on the other hand, use the loans to long or short the stock market and exit their positions at the right time to make massive returns. They then pay off the loans taken from lenders like Voyager with interest payments. Then Voyager would then pass some of this interest to the customers, and this interest is what encourage customers to keep increasing their deposits with Voyager. Voyager Digital had made immense loans to Three Arrows Capital. I have made an in-depth video of Three Arrows Capital. Subscribe and check out that video down below. Three Arrows Capital was a large hedge fund based in Singapore. It had taken loans across the entire crypto industry. Three Arrows Capital had placed massive trades on Terra Luna, and you all know what happened to Terra Luna. Terra Luna went to zero. With Terra Luna losing nearly all its value, Three Arrows Capital had gone bust and was not in a position to pay up the loans taken from Voyager. Three Arrows Capital became a failed hedge fund and defaulted its loan obligations to Voyager. Voyager made multiple demands for payment to Three Arrows Capital to no avail. With millions loaned out to Three Arrows Capital and crypto asset prices tumbling down, Voyager's funds, including customers' deposits, were simply wiped out. Voyager Digital finally froze customer funds and filed for bankruptcy protection in New York.